Exactly an hour.
Got the popcorn.
Yay!
And towels. I can't believe this is Connecticut. This looks like we're in the Amazon. Alright, we finally got waterfall. I'm sweating. As you can tell, I'm literally red. Literally walking here, we saw people down there, but we chose over here because it's like more private. It feels like our private, but it's so nice. So, can we move over there? We're at a bathroom. What is this? Like I don't even know what this is. We're at a candy store and this is their bathroom. This is crazy. Matthew's over there, the House of Bugs. I'm waiting in front of this cafe. Matthew is getting a Coke at the gas station, so I'm just waiting here eating my croissant. So we're gonna go home. We're gonna go pick up Lucas because my mom's looking after him. And yeah. There he is. With his Coke. Hello, hello. Hola. Buongiorno. Ciao. Arrivederci. All of the above. We're in Shenandoah Valley. Hola, Lucas. Hi. We're in a cabin. We're with like Matthew's family and everything. Hi. We're back in Connecticut. Matthew and I went away for like like a week and a half. And it's Monday. And I have to get groceries. So basically we have nothing. We only have eggs and milk. So get ready with me. Using this sunscreen. It's called Anua. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. But it's like this sunscreen that I've been trying recently. I feel like it gives me pretty good coverage. If I'm honest, I'm not really doing a full face routine. I'm just trying to get out of the house. Lucas is taking his nap. This perfume, just amazing. I love how it smells. I'm gonna use Say concealer. I think that's how you say it. And then my Rare Beauty blush and luminizer. This brow thing, I forgot what it was called. It's just like sponged off. And my Shiseido. This is the only lash curler I like using because I've used different ones. I used to get one from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And they all sucked. And so this one is pretty good. Lucas has been sleeping for like an hour. And then of course, my mascara. We cannot go wrong. Oh, it matches. Huh, matches my outfit. I completely meant to do that. That was on purpose. This is the finished look. I actually really like this one. I got this one at, where did I get this actually? TJ Maxx. I got this at TJ Maxx because I saw it was Too Faced. And so I used them once a long time ago. And I actually like them surprisingly. Oh, and last thing. Okay. I can't find it. Alright. Well, I had two shades. I have like a brown one, and then I have this one. It's called Rose Gold, and it's from Charlotte Tilbury. I love it because you can use it for like anything, for like highlighter, for like eyeshadow, whatever. And then it's like a little cream. Perfect. I'm ready to face the world. There you go. So that's my get ready with me. I need my watch. I need my rings. I kind of feel a little naked when I don't have my rings on. I always put them on for any time when I'm going out. Whether it's a fancy dinner or I'm just gonna go get groceries, I need my rings. I just grabbed my whole plate. I have a little plate next to my like jewelry little box because my mom wanted to throw this away. And so I put it to get used because look how cute it looks. I got my watch from Altered State. And then I got this ring at a thrift store in Virginia while we were away. You know, surprisingly, I got this one from Temu. This one's really pretty. This one I got for $1 at American Eagle. This one, they were on clearance. I'm so tempted to go with these earrings, but they're too big. I think they're too big for right now. Yeah, they're too big. Okay, let us go get my child. Come on, Max. Down. All right. I really love these headphones so much. I think I got this for me as a like present, so I love these. I think I've had them for a year now, maybe a little bit more. But anyways, we're going to Trader Joe's. I have this luggage with me because that's my mom's, and I borrowed it from her for the week. Manitas, manitas. No. All right, Trader Joe's run is over with. I'm right in front of Trader Joe's right now. I'm gonna go drop off the suitcase at my mom's, and I'm gonna go home because at home my house is a mess. It's disgusting, gross. So we're gonna go.